Hello everyone, in this lesson you will learn how to search by using the keywords and how to tag the files, how to search the modified files, how to flag those files, and how to use the global keyword search technique in Autopsy tool. So in the first step you can create the new case by pressing this button, and you can write your case name here and just press the next button. And you can also set your base directory, so you can make a new folder with the name of work directory or the work folder anywhere in your device. Here you can use some optional information, like you can write the case number and the examiner name. So in this step you will add the disk image file. You can select the disk image option and press the next button, and then here you can just define and set the path where you saved your image file. In my case that is in my folder. You can select that one and press next. Here you can just select all the options and you can open the keyword search and you can enable all the options, and then you can just press the next button and then finish button. Okay, so all the images added here, you can see that in the tree form here. Okay, so when the all files will be analyzed, then the all files will be available and you can just view these all the files by extensions. And these are the document files. The numbers are mentioned in the bracket, and then you can also see the deleted files available. So all different types of files are available. So now we can start the keyword search. So in the keyword search, for example, I just want to search the investigation, and you can just press the search button, and then you can see these all the files are available where the investigation term is used inside in these documents. You can check one by one, and these all the files, and you can see that investigation word is highlighted and available for your review. So now you can just select these all the files, required files, and right click and you can tag these files. So you can just write the tag name here, like in my case I'm using the recovered investigation and documents, and if you have any description for it, so you can add in the second box and press OK, and you can see here the tag folder is available, and the same folder which you created now, that is available here as well. Okay, which has the 10 files which you tagged, okay, in the previous step. So in this step you can search the files by modified time and the date, like the last time which files are modified, and you can sort out by modified time and date, and then you can extract those files. Okay, like for example I'm just using the images folder where I have the 407 images in this file. So you can just scroll down and then you can check the dates and the required times. Okay, time, and for example it has the old data as well, and like I need the latest modification in these files like 2025. These are some server images. Okay, so I need these files. So so all the files with the modified time, like which are modified in 2025, you can select these all the files from but just pressing the control button, and then you can select these all the files, and then you can just right click and then you can use the tagging. Okay, and tag and comment. Okay, if you want to add in the same folder which you created, or if you want to create the new tag folder, so you can also create. So like for example, you can just write the new folder name, recovered server images, and you can just press OK. And this separate folder which you created with this modified time and date, so these all the files are available in the second folder. Okay, with the recovered server images, and these are the 8 files which you already tagged. Okay, for the further investigation. And you can, after this, you can just click on the generate report, and you can select okay the tagged result files, or all results, or specific tagged results as well. Okay, and then you can press next button, and then you can just click on this report button, and you can see the complete report with the time, with all the details are available here. These are the tag files. You can just open any file and that will be available for you. Okay, so in the HTML file types. Okay, so this is the complete report will be available for you. So you can just close that window. So in the next step, you can search the file by allocated and unallocated files. So again, I selected the images, and you can also check the flag column, and you can find the allocated and unallocated files from this folder, and then you can select the allocated files and again right click, and you can extract. Okay, extract the files. So you can save the extracted files in the same work folder. You can just save these all the files, and then all the files are available for you in the same folder. See, these files are extracted. Okay, the allocated files. So easily you can extract any file from the image. So now the next step is to check the follow up the deleted files. Okay, so these are the deleted files. Around 621 files are deleted from this image, and these are all the files are available. You can just press Ctrl A, select all, and right click, and then you can just click on the follow up button option, and then all the follow up folders are available here, and the follow-up images and the files are available, and you can then generate the report. And if you need in the Excel format, so you can just select the Excel option and then go to the next window, and here you need to specific tagged results, check that option, and then you can generate the Excel report. When it will be completed, just click on the Excel link, and these are all the results, the deleted file, and their follow-up is created with the time and with the date as well. Okay, So now the next step is keyword list creation. If you have different and many keywords, so you can also create the list, okay, by clicking that keyword listing option. And here you can just add the list, okay, like for example I'm adding the new list, and the name of the new list is list search 1. And then you can just create this, and then you can add the different keywords in this list search option, okay. So like for example, this is the list search 1 which I created, so I'm adding the new keywords in it. So you can just press the new keyword button, and here you will add the keywords one per line, okay. So for example, I'm adding the confidential keyword here, okay. And then if you have more keywords, so you can add and create a complete list here, okay. And then you can press OK button, and this confidential is added in the list search 1. So now I'm creating the new keyword list, that is a list search 2. And now I'm adding the keyword in it, like investigation is the second keyword. So I created the 2 list, and these are some other optional options. So you can also check these, and then after this all the lists, the keyword lists are available. So you can just check any specific list, and then you will get your all the results, okay, here. And easily you can just select these files and right click, and then you can tag these files, or you can add in any previous folder as well. So like for example, I'm creating the new tag in the search list 1, okay, and this is the search list 1 is available in the tags folder. And same like this, you can select the search list 2. All the options are available with the investigation word, so these all are available. So you can also select these all the files, and you can just tag these all the files, okay. Right click and select all the files one by one, or you can use the Control A, right click, and you can make the new tag. So I'm making the search list 2 tag, okay, so that folder will be available, and the 10 files are tagged in this folder. So then you can generate the list, okay, and select the search list 1 and the 2, and then you can open the report, and all the report is available with all files, okay. So for the further investigation, so these all the files are available. So now in the last step, you can again click on the generate report and generate the full result and the full report, okay. So it's again depend on your requirement. You need this in HTML format or in the Excel format. So you can click on it, and the complete report of full image is available here, okay, with all the different options. Thank you very much for your time, and I hope you like these videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.